How do I find a reliable home restoration near me?
You would find a reliable home restoration company by doing Google searches, reviews, asking friends and family who they've used in the past, contacting your local agent or your insurance carrier and asking who they suggest. I always tell people the best way to find a reliable contractor is to contact your insurance carrier because they only want to work with reputable contractors. They're only going to recommend people that will do quality work because we represent the carrier.
How do I choose the right contractor for home restoration?
You would choose the correct contractor for home restoration by doing some research yourself, reading Google reviews, asking friends and family members, getting references, just really doing some good research on who you're dealing with.
Do home restoration companies help with insurance claims?
Home restoration companies do help with insurance claims. And in fact, I always tell our customers that working with a restoration company when insurance is involved is imperative because we know how policies work. We know how adjusters think. We know how to speak the language. And if you're a contractor that does not typically work with an insurance carrier, it could be very hard to get estimates approved, and typically contractors will include line items in their estimate that typically won't be approved. They think it should be approved, so you're constantly negotiating, going back and forth between the carriers, which will typically delay the job. Whereas if you work with a specialist like us, we already know what the insurance carrier expects. So we get it right the first time, get approvals quickly, and we get to start your job even quicker.
How to dispute a billing or service issue with the restoration company?
If you needed to dispute a billing issue with the restoration company, you would just simply contact the project manager for the restoration company and explain your issue, and the project manager would work with you quickly to resolve that.